Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this brain rot. This is the TUNG 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 SAHUR brain rot from Indonesia. So let's get started with the video. You don't need custom makeup for this, but if you want to use any other makeup, you can do that. So here's what I used for let me just do the skin tone first. This is the hex code that I used, 915827. And for the custom makeup, I chose these eyes in this color. And then I chose these brows here on the very right. Then for the contour, I did this in this color, E8B176. For the lips, I did this in this color, C8E184. And for the nose, I did these two at the bottom in this color. Okay, the first one is CAA284 and the second one is in white. Then for the fit, I just use this and this in the same color as my skin tone, as well as the sandals in the same color as my skin tone. And just for the bat, I used this pattern here for both of the items. And that is how you can create Tung 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 Sahur on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!